Grover. Hey, Grover, I think it worked. You held your breath while the Mets counted up to 13. It worked.
But wait, stop. 13 isn't very far to count.
Come on, Richie.
I always count much higher than 13.
Come on, Richie. Let him
Somebody
breathe.
tell him to breathe, will you?
I can't hold it any
No,
longer.
not
Rich.
long enough. He'll never cure his hiccups that way.
Yeah, but he's got to breathe.
Let him breathe, Richie.
You think so?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Yes,
Come on.
maybe that's long enough.
That's
You can breathe now, Grover.
Yeah, Grover.
Hey, it worked, Grover. You
Yeah, it
cured
worked.
your hiccups. Terrific, Richie. That worked.
Hey, Richie, that's good. No.
Didn't work.
I've got to get rid of these hiccups.
Oh, poor Grover.